44(2)(c). I wish to request for a statement from the chairperson of the Department on Administration and Internal Security regarding suspected trafficking of narcotic drugs through public transport vehicles operating within the Nyanza region, where my constituency, West Mugrango, lies. Madam Speaker, on the 6th of March 2026, a multi-agency security team comprising officers from the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, Kenya Police, and the Kenya Revenue Authority conducted a security operation following intelligence reports regarding alleged drug trafficking activities in the coast and the Nyanza regions. During the operation, Madam Speaker, a passenger bus allegedly belonging to a company known as Guardian Angel Bus Company was flagged down along the Kisumu-Kericho highway, where narcotic drugs were reportedly recovered from luggage belonging to one of the passengers. This incident, Madam Speaker, has raised concerns regarding the possible existence of organized narcotic drug trafficking networks operating across counties and exploiting public transport systems to distribute illegal drugs. The use of public service vehicles to transport narcotic substances poses a significant threat to public safety and security, particularly among school-going children who use public transport, the youth, and the elderly. It also undermines the integrity and reliability of the public transport system, making it a very weak link in the war against drug trafficking. Madam Speaker, it is against this background that I request for a statement from the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Administration and Internal Security regarding the following. Number one, a report on the circumstances surrounding the recovery of narcotic drugs from the said passenger bus along the Kisumu-Kericho highway, including the status of investigations and any arrests made in connection with this incident. Number two, Madam Speaker, a report on the investigations into the alleged existence